With increased requirements for automotive performance and fuel economy, engines are becoming smaller and turbocharged. Today's high-pressured fuel pumps in direct injection engines can create thousands of pounds of pressure per square inch. That kind of pressure requires precision-like performance from fuel injectors and fuel system components. That's why we need a cleaning product that is both effective and reliable. The Berryman 4-Step Air and Fuel System Maintenance Kit is specifically designed to clean all major air intake and fuel system components. And the best part is, almost anyone can perform the cleaning procedure single-handedly. The Berryman 4-Step Air and Fuel System Maintenance Kit improves hard starting, rough idle, poor fuel economy, and overall drivability. For a complete do-it-yourself tutorial video for this product, visit BerrymanProducts.com.